together, I'm light as a feather, yeah baby I float. It's hard to look at my resume and not find a reason to toast. She throwing that thing in a circle, making it viral, I might just elope. Say listen lil' mama, you like Shabari? Watch while I show you the ropes. I be my own enemy, now I done had several epiphanies over some breakfast at Tiffany's. Had to forgive all my frenemies, they are not who they pretend to be. I had to protect all my energy, I'm feeling much lighter, now I float on them, I float on them, just float. They hanging on to that goose down in my cup. Float on them, I float on them, just float. I don't
the GoWandr have. His name is?
Hey, Christopher Bell.
Okay, Christopher Bell, nice to meet you. So, how's Nigeria treating you like?
Beautiful, beautiful. We just came here last night from Abuja. We've been in Nigeria all week and it's been an awesome experience.
Okay. So, for this GoWandr app, why Africa? Like, I feel like this is your first time in Africa. Why Nigeria?
Yes, because they have a blooming tech space right now. It's booming, and I want to get in early and take advantage of it. There's beautiful people here. They have incredible ideas. I want to be a part of it. I want to be in the mix.
Oh, okay, good. Okay. So what's next? For when is this app coming out? When is it launching?
First quarter 2026. So we're almost there.
Oh, okay.